Good afternoon. Today topic is Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda. The phylum Arthropoda is one of the largest and biggest group of in the animal kingdom. The term Arthropoda was coined by the Vancy Bold. The scientist name is the Vancy Bold. He is first using the word that is the Arthropoda. Okay, and here what are the general characters are there? So first one is the arthropods occurs in all type of habits. Okay, these are the occurs in all type of habitats. All the arthropods are bilaterally symmetric, bilaterally symmetrical animals. తెలుగులో the parts చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. And these are triploblastic animals. And the coelom is a hemocoel. Nothing but the coelom is completely filled with the fluids. That is the fluid, nothing but here blood. So that type of coelom is called as a hemocoel. Okay, and the body is segmented. Because the body is divided approximately equal in size of the segments. Okay, and the body divisible into three regions. That is the head and the thorax and the abdomen. Okay, basically the body divisible into three regions, namely head, thorax and abdomen. Head and thorax after fused to form a cephalothorax. Head and thorax రెండు కలిపి ఉంటే మళ్ళా cephalothorax. The head and thorax are fused and to form a cephalothorax. Okay, and the body is covered by an exoskeleton. So generally exoskeleton and the endoskeleton is there. Okay, ఎగ్జోస్కెల్టన్ అంటే ఎక్స్టర్నల్గా బాడీ బయట పైన ఉన్నటువంటి దాన్ని దేంతో మేడప్ అప్ అయిపోయింది అనేది ఎగ్జోస్కెల్టన్గా చెప్తాము. అదే ఎండోస్కెల్టన్ అంటే విత్ ఇన్ ద బాడీ లోపల. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కమ్ టు హియర్ ఫిషెస్, దట్ ఈస్ some of the fishes having the astictis and some of the condyctis. These are the one of the material which are formed in the some fishes having the astictis. They are called as the astictis fishes. Some of the fishes having the condyctis material, which is called as the condyctis fishes. Here also same thing, the external of the body is completely formed as a chitin. Okay, chitin. And the body segment usually paired by joint appendages. So body segmented. Already told you, the body is divisible by segmented. Each segmented have the paired and jointed అతుకులతో కూడినటువంటి paired and jointed appendages. ఎవ్రీ సెగ్మెంట్ అంటే ఒక పేడ్ ఒక వాకింగ్ లెగ్ని కలిగి ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ దే హ్యావ్ ద ఆర్గాన్ సిస్టమ్ గ్రేడ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ It is from the Arthropoda is a one of the triploblastic animals. These are here organization. Organization is there. Organs are formed, and the digestive system is well developed. Here, what are the systems here? Digestive system is well developed, and the respiration is by gills. Respiration is gills or trachea or book lungs. Sorry. Okay, so the digestive system is well developed, and the respiration is takes place and carried by the some of the organelles are there. That is the gills. గిల్స్ అంటే మనం రెగ్యులర్గా మన ఫిషెస్లో చూస్తాము గిల్స్ అండ్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది హ్యావింగ్ ద ట్రాకీ ఆల్సో అండ్ ద exceptions all have book lungs also there. And the come to circulatory system. Circulatory system is of an open type of the circulatory system. Open type of circulatory system. Here, what is the open type of circulatory system? Here, in our body, or if any one animal contains blood is there, every animal blood is completely closed within the blood capillaries, closed in the some small tubes, that is called as the blood capillaries. The blood is completely closed, the blood is completely binded in the tubes. That is the closed type of circulation. Some animals did not any blood vessels, they have only canals is there, so blood vessels are absent, so the blood is not closing, the blood is freely opened. That type of circulation is called as the open type of circulation system. Here the phylum Arthropoda contains open type of circulation system, and the endocrine system is the well developed. Here in annelids endocrine system is not there, but here after arthropods endocrine system is well developed, which are releases some of the hormones. The hormones are involvement in the metamorphosis also. Okay, now excretion. Excretion is by green glands. Green glands are Malpighian tubulus. Okay, green glands and the Malpighian tubulus. These are the excretion. And the nervous system includes a nerve ring and the ganglionated nerve ring. Nerve ring is and the ganglionated double ventral nerve cord. And the sense organs are antennae, sense organs are include antennae and the simple eyes and the compound eyes and the statocyst. These are the here what are the sense organs there? Antennae and simple eyes and the compound eyes and the statocyst. These are the sense organs which are used for the photoreceptors and the chemoreceptors and so this, and they are the hermaphrodites. Okay, these are the hermaphrodites. Our development is direct or indirect. Okay, so mostly direct development is the indirect method, because the every arthropods have the some of the larva is there. Example of the larva and the Nauplius, Joia, and the some of the in crustacean class there are the number of larvae is there. And the example of the arthropods, the prawn and the crab and the cockroach and the honeybee and the scorpion. These are the gender characters. Now come to here classification. Okay, the phylum Arthropoda is classified into three subphyla. What are the first one? The triplo first one is the Trilomorphobeta. Second one is the Chelicerata. Third one is the Mandibulata. Subphylum, first one Trilobita is, these are extincted arthropods. These are the extincted arthropods that were abundant during Paleozoic era. Okay, Paleozoic era టైంలో ఈ మాత్రం నివసించి ఉన్నాయి. ప్రజెంట్ ఏవి కూడా లేవు. దీస్ ఆర్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఎక్స్టింక్షన్. దే వర్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ మెరైన్. These are the exclusively marine arthropods, and the body was divided into three regions, namely head, thorax, and pygidium. Okay, the body is divided into three here, that is the head, thorax, and pygidium. And the body is separated by two longitudinal furrows, and the furrows into three lobes. Hence the name is Trilobita. Except the last segment, all segments bear biramous appendages. లాస్ట్ సెగ్మెంట్ తప్పించి మిగిలిన సెగ్మెంట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా జతలుగా ఉన్నటువంటి అపెండిజెస్ అనేటువంటి ఉన్నాయి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డాల్మంటీస్. సెకండ్ వన్ ద subphylum Cheliceratum, mostly terrestrial and predaceous. These are the terrestrial and the predaceous. And the body is divisible into two regions, namely cephalothorax and the abdomen, that is the opistosoma. Only here, first one is the subphylum Trilobita. The body is divisible into three, that is the head, thorax, and the pygidium. Here the body is divisible into two regions, that is the cephalothorax, that is the prosoma, and second one is the abdomen, that is called the opistosoma. Abdomen is further divided into mesosoma and the metasoma. Okay, first one is the prosoma and the opistosoma. Opistosoma is divisible into two, that is the mesosoma and the metasoma. And the prosoma bears 6 pairs of appendages. Okay, prosoma is bears 6 pairs of appendages. And the first pair of appendages are chelicera, which are feeding in function. Chelicera, which are used for the function. What is the function? Feeding. And the second pair is the pedipalps, and remaining 4 pairs are walking legs. Antennae and jaws are completely absent. And the respiratory organs are book gills. Here book, not book lungs. Here book gills. And that is the book lungs. Some of them having the book lungs and the trachea also. The subphylum Chelicerata is classified into two classes, namely first one is the Zipposura and then the Arachnida. First one is Zipposura. This class includes the horseshoe crabs, and the and the only three genera are extant. All are the marine. Prosoma is convex, covered by the broad horseshoe shaped carapace. And the prosoma builds 6 pairs of appendages. One pair is the chelicera and 4 pairs of legs and 1 pair of pusher legs. Okay, in this class, animals having the 6 pairs of appendages. One pair is the chelicera and the 4 pairs of walking legs, and the 1 pair is the pusher legs. Okay, and the mesosoma bears 6 pairs of appendages. The first pair is fused to form the genital operculum, and the other 5 pairs are modified into book gills. Okay, the mesosoma having the 5 pairs of book links, and mesosoma ends in telson. Okay, telson is another tail type, and the excretory organs are coxal glands, which are important. Excretory glands are coxal glands. And the development is indirect, and the includes a turbate larva, and the example is the limulus, that is the king crab. This is the living fossil. Okay, second class, that is the arachnida. This includes scorpions and spiders and ticks and mites. These are terrestrial, and the prosoma bears a pair of chelicera and a pair of pedipalpi and the 4 pairs of walking legs. Here, these are the very important arachnida. Scorpions and spiders and ticks and mites are included in this phylum, included in this class, and these are terrestrial. Prosoma bears are consist a pair of chelicera and a pair of pedipalps. Okay, and what means a pair of chelicera and a pair of pedipalps and the 4 pairs of walking legs. In spiders, each chelicera bears a fang into with poison gland opens. That is only spiders only. Spiders lo manaku poison glands అనేటువంటి ఉంటాయి. Okay, and the mesosomal appendages are modified into book lungs, and the 4 pairs of posterior abdominal appendages are modified into spinnerets in spiders. Okay, and the telson is usually absent, but here the class Xerophora is the telson is present. It is present as a sting in scorpions. Okay, అది మనకు టెలిషన్ అనేటువంటిది స్కార్పియన్లో స్టింగ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మనకు విషాన్ని కలిగి స్టింగ్ చేయడానికి యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. అది రెస్పిరేటరీ ఆర్గన్స్ ఆర్ బుక్ లంగ్స్. హియర్ రెస్పిరేటరీ ఆర్గన్స్ ఆర్ బుక్ లంగ్స్, దట్ ఈస్ ద scorpion, and the trachea or book lungs is the spiders, and the excretory organs are Malpighian tubulus. Excretory organs are Malpighian tubulus and the coxal glands. So coxal glands is the one which are useful for the excretory function, which are in the subphyla Ileus serrata in this. And the scorpions are viviparous, development is direct. Okay, this is the exception point. Scorpions are viviparous, అంటే అవి గుడ్లు పెట్టచ్చు, either డైరెక్ట్గా పిల్లల్ని కూడా కనిపించదు, both, and the development is direct method. The example, scorpion and the spider and the mite. These are the arachnidas examples. Okay, the subphylum Mandibulata having the 4 classes is there. That is the crustacea, Chilopoda and Diplopoda and Insecta. This is the large topic, and we will discuss in tomorrow this topic. Before going to complete in this session, we will just summarize the phylum. First one is the Arthropoda, which is climbed by the Wansi bold. Okay, it is the largest group, and the arthropods occurs in the all type of habitats, and these are the bilateral symmetrical animals, and these are the triploblastic animals, and the coelom is completely filled with the fluids, that is the hemocoel, and the body is segmented. Body divisible into 3 regions: head, thorax and abdomen, and the body is covered by exoskeleton formed as a chitin, and the They have to organs system grade organization. The digestive system is well developed and the respiratory by gills or trachea or book lungs. If you need kind of type of respiration, and the circulation system is the open type of circulation system, and the endocrine system is well developed, and the excretion is by green glands or Malpighian tubulus. Okay, and nervous system includes a nerve ring and the ganglion double ventral nerve cord, and the sense organs include antennae and simple eyes, and the compound eyes. These are the statocysts. They are hermaphrodites, and the development is direct or indirect method. This is the gender characters of the arthropoda. The example of the phylum is the prawn, crab, cockroach, honeybees, and scorpions. మన రెగ్యులర్ కనిపించేటువంటివన్నీ కూడా ఆర్థ్రోపోడాకి చెందినవిగా ఉంటాయి. Okay, this is the gender characters. Tomorrow we discussing about the phylum. Phylum Arthropoda classification. Okay, thank you.